Kublai pi barwa. Ni pedang subhai pi sekatup kubor jong pet ngor cable news. Haswa begini sedang ye ki kubor ki jongi meta kata yo ini kmi syai ki mat pakongsan. Menjur ke sarkar MDA ben itu ki khat atli ki college kum ki People's College. Bat rai ben I grant and aid ye ki newly ki ad hoc college. Her ke mamata ye ke sarkar MDA bam sim kia ye ke jingjah mukro. Syaduk nong bak Delhi lek dawak hasil jantia state ke sengsan ke pay HSPDP. Penbenar ke VPP ke kerteng jongki khat samut ki kertong ki bani khun ya ke election MLA Arhajar Arpulai. Ki arpu atli ki snong ha block 2 kidang hab ha Assam ong ubak Preston Tunsong. Bat ke jengil aka hello rensan lembah ka kot kisngi barem unyuk trap balatho da umlung susutham. Ka kanun menteri jong sarkar MDA ya ke bala kendu ha ka singat majai jong tayo kala sim ya ki babun tiliki rai ha ka be dei bat ke puli puthi bat ka we ni ki rai ki bakam kongsan ka dei ke jeng ai jeng menjur ban yarap bat ban kersan ya ki khat at liki college ki badan ha ka leng ke jela bat ban a ya ka grant and aid sya ki new tiliki college ad hoc jong ke jela.
Habaikran beginang patai kubor Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulang bagi sarkar Jela kala itu ikikat artiligi college keberan ha ke Jela kumki People's College bat lengba kene gejing itu ikini college kin yo ekejing kersan ke sarkar Jela bat ke sarkar kan siu tulop jekino hikai bat ginong trai haki college. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulang bagi kat artiligi college kebeli ojing itu kumki People's College ki kentop ya Thomas Jones Synod College Hajawai ya district West Gentle Hills ka Abang Noga College Hatura ha West Garo Hills ka Crossing Christian College ha Moplang ha East Khasi Hills ka Riwar College ha Pen Ursula ha East Khasi Hills ka Loyola College ha William Nagar ha East Garo Hills ka Balawan College Umsning ha district Ribhoi ka Mawson Ram Border Area College ha Mawson Ram ha East Khasi Hills ka Selsela College ha Selsela ha West Garo Hills ka Seng Khasi College ha Jayau Shillong ka Mendi Pathar College ha Mendi Pathar ha North Garo Hills ka Sngap Singh College ha Mokorwat ha South West Khasi Hills bat ka Triki Kila College ha Tikri Kila West Garo Hills. Ulong bagi sarkar kan penlut ikapisa ka bakot katnyo point kendai sau klur tengka sisnem bat man ubnai kan penlut iway point san klur tengka na kabenta kini ki People's College.
17 crores 94 lakhs will be the financial implication for 12 colleges annually, which means on a monthly basis about 1.5 crores. And hence with this the entire concerns of our youth especially who are not able to get access to college seats, and every year we hear this kind of problems that are there. We are hopeful that as per the government's our mandate and our mission also and our commitment to the people that education will be given priority. So therefore, these aspects are being done. And if you notice today in the cabinet, majority of the agendas were related to education.
Menteri Rangba uriya tu uru bagi sarkar Jela kan ai ka grant and aid syaki nyau teliki college ad hoc jong ka Jela na gebenta ki katto kini kino hikai ha bagi sarkar kan pelut nyau pusan na kispa kat ba ya ka ar pusan na kispa apat an pelut hi da ka managing committee jong ka college. Bat kini ki college kidai ki bampat yo eka 5th pay commission bat ka sarkar kan penlut kumba khatwei klor tengka ha kini ki south nam shiteng ki balalit no. Ka sarkar Jela kala ai jing menjur bantung beriau no ha ki kam ki balaj ha ka Shillong Government College of Engineering bat ka College of Architecture and Urban Planning Tura. Kanang bagini ki jaka pule kini oban sedang no ya ka jing hikai na do unai tung ka senam Arhajar Arpulai. Bat ka jing tei kini ki jaka pule kala kot syaka kendai pukendai na kisispa ka kam. Ulong bagi don gombasan pau teliki kam ban satung na gabenta ka Shillong Government College of Engineering bat gajing penlut ya kapisa kan nong R point prah nyau klor tengka bat kidan nyau pu nyau teli ki kam ki balaj ka College of Architecture and Urban Planning Hatura bat gajing lut ka kot chaka R point nyau klor tengka.
After this is done, then certain permissions and certain processes need to be followed with as I said with different bodies that are there at the national level, at state level. So those procedures are required to be followed. But most important, as I said, is the sanctioning of the posts. And now that this has been done, we can say that the commissioning of the college is done now, and a few procedural aspects are left, which we hope will be completed shortly, maybe a few months. And we should be on target to start the academic session by July 2023.
Menteri Rangba ula penmena bagi sarkar jela kala ajung menjur ke ordinance ban penkelano ke Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University syaka Captain Williamson Sangma State University. Bat menta ke jela kan yono ialah ke jong ke skul ba ke beningkong hadian San Posnam jong ke jing kenjo ke jela ya ke jing dap San Posnam. Ule itu bagi kenhon menteri ke lasya meganegarai namar bagi jela Kamdon Satya ialah ke jong ke State University. Kumta barok ke college kihap ban penyeso ila dia bat ke nehu. Hagi ni kisnem ke bela letno. Bat ki college ke berana ke jela kila ban jet bat mentah haga ban penyeso bat ke State University ne bat ke nehu. Menteri Rangba uluang basisen bala terekam kane ki kendon bala bot ke sarkar pedeng bagentup ke QED exam ke bapenlongkong san haki skul ba ke sarkar pedeng kan terekam syu sisen bagi college ke penyeso syaka Captain Williamson Sangma State University. Hakawai pergaliang Menteri Rangba uli itu bagi sarkar jela kalarai ban sedang no ya kalan pule BA bat BCom. Daga bapen kha live khandai teligi post nong hikai bat kinong trei haka College of Teacher Education Tura kanang banyo ban sedang ya ka integrated course jong ka BEd.
To start BA and BCom courses by creating 39 posts and other non-teaching staff posts in the College of Teachers Education Tura. This is being done as per the new education policy, which requires the colleges that are there to have multi-disciplines. And hence, in order to enable the College of Teachers Education to be able to move forward in the lines of the new education policy, these courses will start, BA and BCom courses, as well as I said, the 39 posts will be created for this purpose.
Hakabedai bat kejingkan tho bagi skim Focus bat Focus Plus bagi di skim election jang sarkar NPP. Nagaliang Konrad Kongkal Sangma uluang bagi beliau ki baken tho bagi sarkar klale kamsan perthai ke skim Focus bat Focus Plus. Ki iben ki nong rap bat ki long yeng ki badok jang kejela ki bayo ekene kejingarap. Ula pensyai bagi sarkar kalamang saus pak sanpau keluar tengka ban penterekam ya kini ki skim ban ai jingyarap ya kisau poin san not lak teli kilong yeng. Bat kalong ke babak kelas sibun man keno bagi sarkar kalamang hado Syahjar san sepak keluar tengka bat kapisa kabaka ai kipat ba kamdai Satya karam kumbala keno. Menteri Rangba uluong bayakan ke skim la penterekam nadok kesenam arajar arpuwei bat kamdai Satya kabla penterekam menta balajan ke election.
Around 5,000 plus 5,000, 10,000 are not loans, and these are pure grants that are being given to the poorest section of our society in order to, with a agenda of ensuring that their overall livelihood is improved. They form producer groups and they act, together. And with this movement, we have been able to get almost close to 25,000 groups have been formed. This in itself is a huge achievement in one way. And now these groups are now all together, and obviously their productivity has improved. They're working as a team, and we are seeing that overall livelihood is slowly and steadily going up for those people. It's sad to say that helping poor people and helping the farmers is being looked at as an election agenda. It's very sad. Whoever has made this comment has not understood that these are farmers, these are people who need to be helped, and government is helping them, which should have been done a long time back. So therefore, number one, the perception itself, whoever has given this has clearly not understood the sentiments of the poor people and the sentiments of the farmers. If you go and speak to the farmers today and you hear the testimonies that they're giving, they will be telling you how this money is benefiting them to be able to raise their livelihood, to be able to take up small businesses and small works that they can do with their groups, and it's making a huge impact at the grassroots level.
Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentignaru ba Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi unwan haka khat praterik menta ubnai haka jela bani shimbenta haka jingrakhe jong ke jingdap San Posnam ka North Eastern Council. Ulong ba Narendra Modi undon tangkat to kane kentah kanong ba badadian kane un samino na kanong ba Shillong ban Shim benta haki weipat ki program. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong ba kesorkar kasdang penkre elut igijing don kam baro haka bedai bat kilat ai jingyada bat jingsngan haka jingwan menteri rang ba do kari.
The Honorable Prime Minister will be visiting Shillong on the 18th of December. And the purpose of the visit is to celebrate the Golden Jubilee of the Northeast Council. So he will be having two programs. It is mainly for the Northeast Council's Golden Jubilee celebration.
Ka klidu jong kasengsan perthai All India Trinamool Congress AITC Kamamata Banerjee hakasin kebenengkong kalawan ban poi hakanong ba Shillong hakala sing iblay. Ban pet ia ke jengpen kre joka seng ia ke MLE election ar pulai bat kani ngenong yalam klather ia ke sarkar MDA halor ke jeng bamla ban shimkia AA ha ke bede bat ke jeng syaksiat jong kirang ba khasi ha ki pulet Assam hamukuro.
Ka khliek jong kesengsan perthai All India Trinamool Congress ka Mamta Banerjee hakasian kebenengkong kalawan poi hakala sing ublai hakanong ba Shillong na kebentaban pet iga jing penkrek kaseng yak election MLA kebenlong hakasnam banwan hakajela Meghalaya. Ya kini kanong yalam jong ka AITC lapdang buram ni kanong yalam bat MLA ka AITC ha Shillong Airport. Hakabagi patba bekinong kersan kaseng AITC na keleng kilawan ban pediang sobhaya kini kanong yalam. Kamamta rengkat badu General Secretary ke AITC Abhishek Banerjee kini kendu iki MLA bat ki kertong ki banekon iki election MLA Banwan bat kini tai ru halor jing penkre iki election hakaleng ki constituency jong jela Meghalaya. Kamamta Banerjee kini kendu iki nong yalam bat kinong kit kam keseng hakajing yalang ka banlong ha State Convention Center hakakat lai terik. Bat hagane gesngi kene shim bentaru agajing rakhe yakajing lek kemen Christmas bat ki hebret ki bamdon kemiran kepasyo kinong yalam shnong hari lum khasi jantia bat kiro pau kumat kejela.
We, the Meghalaya TMC, across all rank and file, are extremely enthusiastic to receive our chairperson, Srimati Malotadi, today. And we look forward to addressing our executive. Rather, the leaders coming from every nook and corner of the state, representing the grassroots leaders. So we are extremely enthusiastic about this. And will be welcoming her.
Hashwa baga Mamta Banerjee kan ajingkran hagajing yalang patba au sosotham auditorium hagasi baar. Hakaporman step kan kekliak jong All India Trinamool Congress kala ajingerap marsan lak tengka syagi bahayeng jong kisan ngut kinong Meghalaya kibla syasiat diap bagi pulet ke Assam hakasnong mukro. Ka Mamta Banerjee rengkat kajingan lang unong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul M Sangma baru presiden ke TMC Meghalaya ba Charles Pengrup. Kila IT kini kesong tengkas kini kilong yang bat kini kesengsan pertai kala kular ru bakan yai bud dian halor kini kejingja ya kini kisan ngut bat ban penio ya kohok na kebenta kini kilong yang kibala do no yala kiba iat bathon
lang bayang madam kejing wai lang ka chai traba let's them pray for her so in their house.
And may God bless you all and give you the strength to overcome this most difficult time. That's the desire of our chairperson and all of us.
I'm not going inside.
Kani kanong yalam jong ka AITC, kelalit banishim bentah ka Party Workers Convention kabelalong ho Sosotham Auditorium. Haga bakinong kit kambat kinong kersan jong ka TMC kila pediang subhai kani kanong yalam. Haga ni kejingalang ledan lang General Secretary ke AITC Abhishek Banerjee kinong yalam kinong kit kambat kinong kersan jong kani kesengsan perthai. Hagani kejingalang ka Mamta Banerjee kabalong ru ka Menteri Rangba ke Jela West Bengal kalapan bena ban penteri kam ya ke skim WeCard nagbenta bani rap na kapisa ya gilong kami hagaba manla ubnai kinyo amarsya hajar tengka hagi bank account jengki na ke TMC bada ke sisnem kinyo khat ar hajar tengka ka Mamta Banerjee haba ajingkran na kejingalang kala kentho ek sarkar MDA kabelayalam da ke NPP Bakam syam lale ye hak bedai baga jingsha asiat yap kisan ngut kinong Meghalaya hak pulit Assam bat kelong balada kani ke jingja ka West Bengal kan pentikna bagi beriau keberan keti kin yo da ke jing sneng ka kin om la asuk ban klet bat kelong bagi bahayang bahasam jong ke bahasa asiat nalo ke jing yo ke jing rap pisa kin yo ru ka kam ke jam nang sarkar Kani kanong yalam kali ru bagi AITC kala penterekam yagi program bat ki skim boper ban kentiu ki kampen roy bat eka yo ka kot jong ki patba balada ke TMC kawan ha bor yagi ni ki program bat ki skim ru an penterekam ha Meghalaya ban ai jingmentoi ki kenthai bat ban aikam yagi samla ka chairperson jong ke AITC kala ongru ba ka sengkan pentikna ba ke Jela Meghalaya dai ban sensyar dagi khon ki bami hi ne ka khando jong ka Jela Oman Syakrawat Chabi na kanong ba Delhi ne Guwahati.
My people were shot dead, were shot at their chest and were killed mercilessly, and I want justice for that. You will never see your Chief Minister go and protest in Delhi because he has his fine, he has his everything deposited in Delhi. And he is under compulsion because otherwise they will use the CBI and the ED against the present Chief Minister. They have been using ED CBI against Trinamool. But I tell you again that let them use whatever agency they have at their disposal. We don't care of it. And we are here to ensure that Meghalaya is able to retain its lost glory. A state which is known as the home of clouds has now been labelled as a safe haven for corrupt people. This is extremely shameful. And like I said every time, the Trinamool Congress, come what may, will stand by you, will fight with you, and we will not budge an inch from our fight against these autocratic forces.
Habayakran beginong pathai kubor ka Mamta Banerjee ka Beriru ka Menteri Rangba ka Jela West Bengal. Kalau ang balada ka AITC kawan ha kubor sensyar Meghalaya kanilek ban penbej yau put usam ka Jela Assam. Bad dia mentahi kampat kwa ban batai ha kanu kodur kinlek ka kam. Ha ka bedai bagi jingdawa ban penterekam ya ka airline permit. Ka Mamta Banerjee kalau ang bagi mat ka dei ka ba khyabha. Kumta ka AITC la rakawan ka bor sensyar kan thau da ka expert committee ban bishar harur ka jingdawa ban penterekam yak airline permit. Kalau ang ba kani ka jingdawa ka dei ka balas lembha mana kaliang ka sarkar BJP ru kam shimla lai yak ngamat jingdawa jong ki patba ka Jela. Kani kanong yalam kalau ang ru ba kinong yalam ka AITC Meghalaya kin spen mi ki mat terekam jong ki election MLA na ka benta ka senam arjar arpulai. Bat kala kentui ki patba bakin vote ya ka AITC manwara ke jingkala ha ke Jela bat kinong yalam ko Dr. Mukul M Sangma bat ubak Charles Pengrup kidan bane kun na benta ka hok jong patba bat ka seng ka kwa ban penliam ka seng BJP bat ke NPP ke badan ha ke Jela.
You have to be very cool, you have to be very political, and you have to mix up the people also, and how we will do it that I cannot disclose now. It will be decided at the proper time. It is Assam model of development, double engine, it is Gujarat model development, but we don't want to see that they never said, the regional parties, they never said when the people is in danger and people is in distress. We want to say that they were totally failed. Only at the time of election they come, distribute the money and just they send the ED and CBI so that people should be afraid. They don't have any agenda except the political vendetta to snatch all the right from Meghalaya. You tell me why, when they have taken so many land from Meghalaya, whether they ask the Meghalaya people? What was the need for that? When they fired 5-6 people, anybody is arrested? They criticize other people. And Meghalaya is 70% tribal. How they torture the tribal people in UP? How they torture the tribal people throughout the country? We know them. That's our ideology and our program, our social security program. We will announce when the election is announced.
Madam.
It will be, all the details will be there in the manifesto.
Madam, you said if...
Oh, we are against of that. You know, I am fighting for I fought like anything for this CA. Oh, throughout the country I fight. But I am happy that Meghalaya we have the leadership, good leadership. That will give us the boost up. Meghalaya party decision is yes. We will not interfere in their decision. They will do it.
Candidate.
We will tell you very soon. Let the election.
Abhishek had already named Dr. Mukul.
Let the election announced. Mukul was chief minister. So Mukul is, we are very happy about his performance. Charles is also there. We are very happy. So you can guess.
No, but the people of Meghalaya wants TMC to at least name the chief ministerial candidate now. Who will be the chief ministerial candidate?
Let the election declared. Then he will let you know. You know, I don't want the money and muscle man. We want democracy. Sometimes the money power break the government. They capture the government. They divide the people. I will request all my brother and sister in Meghalaya, don't care for money power, because today you will give me money, but tomorrow if I die, today I am survive. If tomorrow I am die, how do I use this money? And they will give the money and then send the ED as CBI. That is their system. So I condemn the money power and muscle power. I only believe the democratic power.
National spokesperson jongko All India Trinamool Congress AITC Usaket Gokhale ha kasib ar jongko tayo. Uloong ba ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kata ka MDA kamla ban pensya ye ki jingkuno ki jong u ha kabede bat ka kambam sap. Bat unyai biteng ban penjak burom ye usembut Menteri Rang Ba ka Jela uba Prestun Tunsong bat ya ka sarkar Jela. Gokhale uloong ba unyai biteng ban penjak burom yu ba Prestun Tunsong bat ya sarkar MDA kabayalam da ka National People's Party namarkani ka sarkar Jela kala penjak burom iki pat ba nong song snong jo ka Jela watla ula sa ujor bai menran khmat na ka sarkar Meghalaya. Uloong ba ka sarkar MDA kamdan jing pensai halor ka jing sya kno bam sam bat kumta kala ujor persya ye kinu ki bakentho ni kren persya ek sarkar. Gokhale ulakop ru ya Menteri Rang Ba ka Jela Conrad K Sangma usembut Menteri Rang Ba ka Jela ba Prestun Tunsong bat ya Dr. Vijay Kumar ban mi sakhmat ban ya tai halor ki kambam sam ka ba ka sarkar MDA ka dan kti bat lada kini ki job on pediang ya ka jingsa ujor dawa bai menran khmat hendrai lada ka sarkar Jela ka rem kini baro kini ban hiar sukino swa ka election ka banwan. Kat bana kaliang uba Prestun Tunsong uloong ba Usaket Gokhale day unong song sunong ka Jela Meghalaya bat dan ya kapor ban pelut bat uni ubri ubam dan AA ban le bat tip hiru hadu katnu uni ubri I ni song khiai ka Jela Meghalaya. Uba Prestun uloong ba haba keno de bandan ru iki sabut bat kamlong ka bayahap ban sukun tho persya ek sarkar klem dadan iki sabut ki babiang. Bat ki jengkeno Gokhale kilong ki bamdan nong rem namar ka sarkar kla trekam da ka babut renti ki kendon ba pher.
You cannot defame somebody who's already infamous for looting money. The government is desperate. We have on numerous occasions, I have personally asked the government to come sit down for a debate. They want evidence, we'll produce all the evidence. The fact that this government is jittered is Ironically, while filing a defamation suit, Deputy CM President Tensong called me a psycho, which is very ironic, and then he proceeds to file a defamation suit. I filed a counter suit against him. But look, who will file a defamation suit against this government for defaming the state of Meghalaya? When a scam is caught, the government either has to explain, because this government has no explanation to give. They are trying to file a defamation suit to intimidate. These suits do not scare us. I've spent the last entire week in a lockup in Gujarat. These kind of petty tactics don't scare me. The government is scared. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma is scared. And there will be more to come as far as not just Meghalayan age goes, but corruption in different departments of this government. They will have to give an answer. And I'm happy to submit myself to Mr. Tensong for a psychological evaluation. If in return, he agrees to come and sit down and have a debate and not go in a corner like a coward. Have some guts, come and sit down for a debate if you've done nothing wrong. But if you're a thief, you've defamed the state of Meghalaya, put as many lawsuits. I will defame you because you're defaming the people of Meghalaya, you're looting from the people of Meghalaya. Thieves have no reputation, there is no question of defaming a thief.
See, me also my statement stands. So, why should I spend time with a person who does not have anything to do? And we really don't know also how much he loves, how much he cares about Meghalaya. I think you all know also. He's from which place, and then he's talking as if he's part and parcel of the Meghalaya, but he is not at all. And that's what I'm telling you. I never seen a so-called national spokesperson. When you made any allegation, you need to also bring in the documentary proof. Otherwise, just for the sake of saying that MDA government is a thief, I think I will not at all spend time with this fellow. I don't have time.
There is enough documentation to substantiate the allegations, and at the end of the day, look, the government is accountable to the people, the opposition as well as the people of Meghalaya. Accountability should be demanded from the government. This government is scared of accountability. Since months, we've been asking for a debate, we've been highlighting issues. They don't answer to the press, they don't answer to the opposition. So the government should be asked, come out clean, tell us what happened to the Chinese meters, Uni meters, tell us what's happening in MECL, tell us what's happening in Meghalayan age. They don't want to give these answers. And because the super CM of Meghalaya, D. Vijay Kumar IS, has been clearly implicated this time, is why this government has gotten so scared. So the Chief Minister is trying to protect the Super Chief Minister, which is quite sad. That there is one Super Chief Minister sitting in Guwahati and there is one IS Super Chief Minister sitting, and the Chief Minister only takes orders from them directly. If you have guts, come out clean, we'll sit down, we'll have a debate with you. If we are wrong, file a suit, but if you're wrong, resign before the elections.
See, we are governed by the rules, the executive rules of the government, be it in Meghalaya or be it any other states within India. We are doing that. We are being guided. We are being governed by the executive rules. So therefore, again, as I said to you, back to square one, his allegation is baseless. Be it government societies, be it government companies, or be it government department, we are subjected ultimately to be examined, to be checked, whatever money we spend in any sectors, ultimately it has to be reflected in the book of account, which is known as ultimately CAG report.
Ban peniaklat no ia karilum garo lakajong na karilum khasi jaintia bat ban aino lakajong kajela kadai kamat kabalayo sngo ia kajing ekran nadu ki khindiat snam ki balala kam tam dakawai ka sengsan perthei ka balarem tam hakani kajela Meghalaya baro chikata ki jingdawa ki kutang hapo lakajong kajela henrei hakani ka kenti kawai ka kenhun kalalet chadu nong ba Delhi bandawa khasi jaintia state
injustice. No cousin injustice. No rush. No cousin injustice. No rush. No cousin injustice. No rush.
Haka khatsa ba khatsan terik mata ubnai no pra Arhajar Arpuar hapo ka jingelam jong ka sengsan pertai Hill State People's Democratic Party kata ka HSPDP nagani ke jela rengkat ki kenhun jong ki seng beper ki bana ki wei pa ki jela jong ni ka than stelam mingi kenthop ye ki bana rilong garu ki ba hapo ka satri jong ka National Federation of New State Kilalet Chadu Nong Ba New Delhi, Bandawa na Sarkar Pedeng, Bantano Yaki Jela Thamai, Kuntop Hakani Jela Meghalaya, Lakajong Kajela Yakarilum Khasi Jantia, but Lakajong Kajela Yakarilum Garu. Kiniki sang kiladawa ha kiniki arsengi, Dagabashong Kalan Mungor ha Madan Jongka Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. Kajinglet dawa khasi Jantia State, Shadu Nong Ba Delhi, Kalong Bala da Menteri Rang Ba Du Kari Yo Ihi Dela Ki Jongki Khmat, ya kajing dawa un Shim Kia ya kani. Da kabara ha ka yin darbar thawan ke jela, ban ya kren halor kani kapang, kabalong ru kat kum ka riti senchar Jongkari India.
Bakani ka 6 schedule ka mengendan lepa kambiang yangi, namar ka jingdon jong ka khadar a, kalong ka maujin thut ka bakrau yangi kum ka Jaibin Riu. Kum ka Jaibin Riu ke jongi namar ba ya ka hoklong trai kham tam ya ka khendau ka siap ya ki khlau ki tap hadu menta ngim som lala ban thawan ngim som lala ban penyai damangi ka jala Meghalaya ka menta henrai le ngin yo khasin justice ha ka lais pan yu phuwei kat ba kawan ka j ne ka k ne ka kat ba kalong henrai kalong ka bor ka yereng kat bat ki state ki ba marjan ha ka lais pan yu phuwei jong ka Nagaland jong ka Mizoram bat jingwe gi wei how Amit Shah ubadai Union Home Minister badia kani ka memorandum ngadap sai menta kasngi and sim ke kli da chairman secretary jong kani ka federation aga ba an penyo ya appointment ban yakren ba un sngap ba un ayingi ka jubab halor ka jingdawa ka jungi kata kadai ka rai ka bakhadu ka bakum ka National Federation of Khasi State ngiyo ya ka ban rai menta kasngi bat kani ka jing rai ka jungi ka long bangin paipat la ka sarkar ka nam sngap kamnum sa skor kabamut ka jingdawa ka jungi kanam kutang manda kasi bat ngindang organize ye giwe pat ki demonstration ki ba hapo gani ka lama jong ka Federation of New States ka bangin se shem na ka por live usan tli kisem kat khnais pa prapun nyau bat ngila ya ye gani bat kadai ka por ka jungi bat yai pen ken mau bat ngin yai dawa bat bakata ka long ka khubor jungi sabaro ki parado ki parasnam aka bri new trap manong balada ka khasin justice kam dan kam yangi ka Jaibin Riu ngim sut ngi pediang ye kanunu ka jingken thok ka jongki tangpa pan i yangi da ka wei galanti ka ei kata galanti ka bhatam ban penne pensa lani ban penne ye kata ka jinglong kerpang jongi kum ka Jaibin Riu lani ki hok kerpang ji kum ka Jaibin Riu lar ki don da ka wei paru ngi pediang ya ka ban yosngau mo la ngi pediang ye ka ban tip ka ei pat ka solution bakal lawai ba pernai jong ka Jaibin Riu jongi ka bang idei kum ka Jaibin Riu blai lo bu kerpang hakiliang baro nadu ka khendau ka siap nadu ka sensar khadar nadu ka riti rustur nadu ka tin ka thali isngoban ong ba ka khubor kan lej jagari ka sibat chantia
Kaseng riulum jong ka jela ka barang sumi thamai ya ka bala tip ka Voice of the People's Party lani ka VPP ha ka khat artere uno pra kala pen bena pat ba ka kerteng jong ki khat saungut ki kertong ki bani khon ya ka election MLA Arhajar Arphulai na keleng ki constituency ki badan ha ka jela
Kasengsan pertai Voice of People Party VPP ha ka khat artere uno pra Arhajar Arpuar kalapan menapat ba ka kerteng jong ki khat saungut ki kertong ke bani khon ki election MLA ha ka senam Arhajar Arphulai ha ka jela bat ha kini kisi ke banuan kan sepen menai ka thup kerteng ka bar ya ki bani aireng ha ka ki election ha bai kran beginang pathai kubor chairman ka State Election Committee jong ka VPP u Dr Karachan Ulong bagi khat sangut ki kertong ki bani khon ki election MLA na ka sang ki kenthop yu ba Dame Wanhi El Rambai na Kleriat constituency u Dr Ricky AJ Singkon na Umsning constituency u ba Hivingstone Kharpran na Maurengkereng constituency u ba Bright Starwell Marbanyang na Maulai constituency u ba Avna Pariat na East Shillong constituency u ba Raja Jerwa na West Shillong constituency uba Dani Langstie na South Shillong constituency ikong Iban Dublin F Lingdo na Meliam constituency uba Winston Tony Lingdo na Nongthamai constituency uba Ardan M Basayomoy na Nongkrem constituency, uba Doristar Marbanyang na Mauplang constituency, uba Man Bhalang Thaba na Penursla constituency, uba Shanlang Wardri na Mairang constituency, bat uba Overland Imyong na Ranikor constituency. U Dr. Chen uloong baga VPP Shan kan seplat no ikatup kerteng baar jongki kertong. Bat kaseng kan sepan menaru ika kerteng u MLA Bomenta na North Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum. Bane kun no iki election naga VPP hakini giski banwan. Uloong baga VPP kan sasyam yakarai lakan peniang yaki kertong habrok lai pun ru tadi ki constituency jong karilum kasijantia. Bat ka VPP kan seplat ru iki mat rekam jong kaseng naga bentak election MLA hakini gisingi ki banwan.
Ai di ba Winston Tony Lingdo naka arpuai nong Thamai constituency. Candidate Bachipo ide ba Arden Miller Basayomoy na arpuar Nongkrem constituency. Candidate Bakhatway ide ba Dorister Marbanyang naka arpusau Mauplang constituency. Candidate Bakhatar ide ba Man Bhalang Thaba naka arpunyo Penursla constituency. Candidate Bakhatlai ide ba Shanlang Warjri naka Laipo Mairang constituency. Badi candidate Bakhatsau ide ba Overland Imyong naka Laipusan Ranikor constituency. Kita kediki candidate jongi minta ke kan ke list ke beningkong. Ban jit kita ki candidate ke bala mo bala ban jok. Tenri katar basyong ho ba dia nakaliang jongi ni soba bangi peniang i candidate ibang ilajit babyang ba ide di bri batamai marko pi rayo so gobun di bri gilangnya iki mo di barim dia nakaliang jongi ni persyang ban jit ki batamai tapi pek ba ki candidate jongi pin semba ide ki bang tamai bat ki bengila persyang ban pek benia phai ke background ke education qualification juga lalu yang mensangim patla banong aduh lai penring pula banong tang ba iki banangon ki konstruksi ki candidate ki konstruksi ba per ngin sapan menakam hadin akan list ke baar ke balai jongi hadin post election la kadon don kampanye don sarkar ro kade the base of kita ki issues nei ki common minimum program kamde tang ban shu dan bentah government banya don ban yo ka syuki minister ni ndre ka nungnu ka jing rajung ibe don government kade ban base haki issues le common minimum program kata kedai ka jing perkat jungi kum ka produk party
cuma ka party funding kalong ka pi ka ba pi ong funding is very important here nimla hi ban of trikam kam pisa you don't come and reach out to the people you don't come hi berpensyai siki breu you don't come ik pisa henry ka syong padai ki haki breu kubnu but kin contribute siapa parti na marangi ngi jaga transparent funding kabut baki breu baki ai ka pisa sya ka political party kabut ka party kan ai accountable siki breu ngi jaga ka public funding hi ka bantuan ki breu tang bakat la ka ya ngi ya le hi ben page ka background jangki candidates ye but hilapa ki candidates ki politician ki sya approach ki political party ngi ngem lai ben approach ta ki hilapa ki le banyak approach ke setting MLAs yang ni utai bat filap ke cingkiran jeng iwe ni ki MLA ki ong bang adi kadang fabre war kala temen ru namar baba ro hai political party ki lai ban approach ni kum laga yang ni believe ya kata ban sulit approach kat yo badon tamen ya le na party ngape background jeng ki bre bari apa tingem la ban i ka ya kalasha ki ban jala sha iwe ban ni ke ndai ni ngai ya ka bagi le iya dah kecil susu dia kata apa consequences angin gimana
Hadian basawngut ki MLA ki ladap ban peniaso eladi bakaseng BJP Hanong Bakdali hakasi palai jong katayo kinong yalam joka BJP Meghalaya kila pediang so bahaya kini kinong mikmat gejala haka office rekam joka BJP bat hakani ke jui kesengi lapan benaru ya ke kerteng jong kinong yalam ka BJP kiban kemi bat penia ya ki kam ki jam jong kaseng na kebentak election MLA Arhajar Arfulai ka BJP Meghalaya kala pediang buram ya laingut ki MLA jong kejala ki bakentup ya uba Himalaya Sangpliang u Benedict Armarak ka Ferlen si Sangma bat ya MLA Clemseng u Samuel M Sangma hak balai dan langru u presiden jong BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri uba AL Hek bat ubak san bor sulai. Ka Ferlan Sangma kala keno bak NPP hapo ka jingilam jo Conrad Sangma kala le bam sut nyo bat Kim Jukhen snap yaki haba kidanglong kinong mi khmat jong ka NPP bat dei halor kani ganong rem bakila mi no na ka NPP ban penioso no bat ka seng BJP. Kat ba u Benedict Marak uloong ba nadu bula sa weng no kumu Chief Executive Member jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kata ka GHADC ula kwa ban mi no na ka NPP namar hadu menta umla ban tip balay ke NPP kala weng no yu kum CEM. Nakaliang uba Ernest Mauri uloong baka party ka ibet hakaray jo kinong yelam na Delhi bakin dangdon haka sarkar MDA ni kin mi no nakani sarkar sendrop. Bat ka ka jing start jo kinong yelam ki ba kli do bat ya mentahi kidang ap ya karay jong kinong yelam na Delhi. Hakabay day ba kajing dawa ki patba ban pentri kamno ek line permit ILP kajala nakaliang uba sanbor sulai uloong ba kajala kan yo ek ILP lada ki patba ki ailat ek BJP ban thawi ka sarkar. Uba Ernest Mauri ula pentip ru ba ula dep yakran beginong yelam ki ba kli du jong ka BJP halor kajing dawa ban pendrong no ek tien khasi bat garu ha ka 8 schedule bat ka sarkar pedeng kadang song bisar halor kani kamat jing dawa.
It is open to everyone that it is a predetermined plan by the party against us. So it is quite meaningless to hang on to the party but till the end we have been so patient, we have waited for the term to come to an end, and it is time for us to move on. You know, it is not an overnight decision, but it is a long drawn, conscious move so that we can also move on. As we are all already a committed leaders, we are a committed representative of our respective constituencies. So we have our own responsibilities to move on. That is the reason we have to look for a better and bigger platform to serve and deliver the people of our respective constituencies in particular and the people of the state in general in a much better way.
I don't know why he sidelined. That's the main question first. But he didn't give the answer still, not yet. See, I have joined NPP since from long back time itself because of his father. We love his father. We know his father, how he worked, how he do everything, you know. But see, after his father left, what he have done? See? He's saying that last time election, he said, what? We don't change. I don't think so. This is wind of disaster, I think.
The changes that we want to bring in the state, the development that we want to give to the people, there is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring bigger roads, we want to build bridges, we want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years. And we would like to bring medical colleges, engineering colleges, wherein the youths of the state would get an opportunity to study in these colleges instead of going outside the state to study. Getting seats in medical colleges and engineering colleges have become a big pain and big problem for our youth. If we have our own colleges, it would be a lot beneficial for them. We would like to bring a lot of development for the rural areas as well, wherein we would like to give rural housing for the poor. The JJM would have to go in a more larger scale, though it is being implemented now. We would like to see every household getting a water connection. We'd like to see many other developments in the health sector as well. We need good hospitals in the state. We would like to have a massive cancer hospital coming up. We'd like to a lot of schools to come up. In fact, government schools, government colleges should be coming up. Therefore, if I count the list, it is endless. There's a lot of things for us to do.
Ginong yalam ka KSU haka khat sau tri unok pra kila hiar syakasnong sau lum dorbar haba kila yo ya ka jingtip baki pulit asam kila let pendek ya kinong snong bat ya kinong yalam snong bat keno ba kila dan kti haka ba penjulor ya ki jingkier sainar jong katnat forest ka badan ha blok 2 rat nyong tung
Hadin ke jing bena kubor balik don bor biang ki pulit ka asam ba katnat forest na asam ki belalit bantuet kinong yalam snong ka dorbar snong sau Lom dorbar. Halor kejeng keno balik temprai kejeng ker sainar syak tanat forest. Hagi jaka jeng kitrai senong ke blok 2 rat nongtung. Haga katsau tereng unda opera aradar arpuar kinong yang lamba kemat kakasi Students Union. Kilalit manhiar syakani kesenong menuat jeng tip halor kani kejeng tuet jeng puliat asam. Bat balik ay mensim kinong yang lam senong bat kipat bat nongsong senong. Haga ni kejeng let hiar kaseng GSU. Syakasnong sau lom dorbar nakaliang kaseng lalam kemat da ulambok Starwell Marngar Presiden KKSU Sengkeme ubiang por paliar Vice President uba Ferdinand Karkamni Presiden Kenot Khasi Hills District uba Banjob Maring Presiden KKSU Eastern Border Area bat kibe-kibe katkum kejing tip beli olum laong bagani kejing tuet jigi pudat asam bakatanat forest sikinong lam snong ke sau lom dorbar Kelalong hadian kejing kenok bagi patba kelalit ban penprai kejing ker sainar bean bat kejing kentur put ke tanat forest sekejaka jong kitrai snong kiblang hap apok kejing pet jong karat nongtung blok 2 hapok ke bohoi rembong sian RD blok haga bawala ki patba nong snong kelalit ban ujor lon kejing kentur put ke asam ham ka Maulasnai Police Outpost ndrei ki bor forest jong ke asam kranang yaitei pendap kejing ker sainar hagane kathan Haka jingkran haka ni kejing jengok kinong yalam ke KSU uba lambok Starwell Marngar ula penramjor ke Sarkar Meghalaya kabla syusyong klikti na kapor skapor klam da pai kemat kejing balha ban mat di pat ba nong sok snong hak snong kaput kibasha pentot agi bor ke asam lagadai ni kibor pulit na ketanat forest bat kibe-kibe ula angru bah ka bedai bat kejing ja hak snong sau lom dorbar hak baladon kejing penpra yaki sainar kerput jong ketanat forest asam uba lambok Starwell Marngar ulong balada kita kibor ke asam kiwan kentur put cisha haki put kisam jong kejela kum ke pat ba ke basa kaput kidai bane teli langkawai bada kebor kidai hok bane khone la ka hok namar kejingan kentur jong ke asam haki jaka rap jong ke pat ba jong ke snong ulong ru ha ka bayadai bat kene kejingja na kaliang kaseng hi kan salet bane kendu kibor penyat distrik Garibhoi bane kendu yo deputy commissioner bat bane keren halo kene kejing pat ba bat ban pha toket alor kene kejingja kumjoru bandawa kibor pahara ke baklan hangane ngathan na kabenta kejing sngan ki pat ba bala regi bor sarkar jela Meghalaya kidang le menti ban ajing pahara baklan hangane ngathan na kaliang kaseng hi kamban se ban syempat de kibegilat ki bateng da kebaben rabru baka KSU kana idon hasenda ki pat ba nong song snong hakathan kaput jong kejela Meghalaya
kini kadi kebenta ke kini kam kaput kam syu kebrang syu jia thma naga force ko por leje handai na kaliang ni ni la smothu ye ke phang ye ga jinglong cuman hakini kisngi badap na kaliang ni simkhia na kam bat ni spesor sukar telada ke sarkar kam simkhia kam le ye kam pha ite bor wara te ai ke sarkar smothu hi bat ken basha gibri osam kemde than ban muslia ya khidok siap ban patut di podok osnam ni imdon tiar siat kumban tiar maki handai nimasti banyak de boy pak kalenti lada kini ju beri kenawan penting pesimit kenawan berngam seberngam kenawan pentot nak por idon ye hok pen ye kada rojok dok siap khamtam jing terha jong phi kemdai tam manta nak por terada kita ki bangi khmi lenti kino sunsya idon ki pulet hajan kim ai no instruction ban mele jong kam aso golong ge ke jasa jam nak por haong le kumbas polo pech po miseram je yu bentur asam pulit miseram kuat kala kumajias po mo kulo kene kubaso kala kalong umare swa kala do pulit bani pat baro Tikata gedek jingkeli bangi squat bersengoh hentai. Wat apedang jong katang semut ong pikun binong sok senong ni. Nairet sim panai duk jingkermen. Ngindon senda ngin simkia nakam ngin penslo. Marma kum ong mene ber distrik saya simkia. Bat ngin ilasa na sai kana ke bor distrik kali penide kam. Takam penide kam ni song perkat koi pat kelak penti. Pan penbor je sofkat bagadai menyada kini sok senong ni jaka. Bat ada jing da pura. Telah kam jing da pura mut lada dan kono ka jing jula ka jing du kita ki maret ko jong pi ka sarkar kapan sim jing kli ngech kamba ngana kwa kran sibun hendai na sudan tanga jing kit bok truya jing am sim ni pi na so tiang na so tmang na so shong si hendai ngidan senda ba idan dong lam district ni hajan long no poro na keliang tu ka seng ngidan senda an pi nginyai persat sim bat ngi aidan ka jing eta ka pura kma pi
lei nginum sya na malba ka jing krun jo ka jo ki kai kabala kila care fencing ya ka jaka ki no suston jongi ki rap ki yang hak te jaka ten rei namar ba ka sarkar jongi pat kalong batulot adu kata-kata la dangi pai khmat namar ba lakat gitu ki por bangala deban ujor nei kat adu menta ka sarkar sam kala dep sendon ya ka ban care te fencing kim siam ladon kata ka kim siam ladon e kata ka jubab ya ka ban sange ya kata ga benta namar ka jingwan khuntu jongi ti se ka ne borok ka dei marba sarkar jongi kam siam la nyukor kam siam la pai khmat yang gi pajba terse ka kwa betang ba onda ngila jia kumba gila jia lam hagan hagane tat onda ya bro imat la kloi ka man ban pek kloi ban jingo tenrei tadangi subu tang ki jing tho hak por ka badang biang hak por ba kidang le imdon sati ka pai khmat tat hadu ba sarkar sam ala ban pendep ya kan benta tini kaliang jonga kumur ba snong terse ngapan sai kandiat habi dia tang itai benta habi dei bat kan ka benta ka jing jia kan ka kharbai tarik kemudian nak kalian juga ingin don kan orang nak bentang, mal bangi niat ikat kum ka an dan dei isutu ba nak kalian ka sarkar juga kaya juga katrot aduk kata-kata ya ban ya ka jing syak korup juga ni jaka kim semlala ban yada kat hadu menta tian dei ka ba susi ka wei pat ngong bah kan ka por ba nak kalian juga bor sarkar asam ki penting pensmit yang ki nong sonong mal bangi hap ban lej rep lej riang tian rei kat hadu menta kemudian kila penting persmit sia wat je ki marep mariang jungi do hadu menta mene kinang sa bet sa gilum ki wa mariang jungi kinong song minum nut su ya kaban lej ya kate lenti amal ba meeting hi amal ba yo ka asam ka bale sibun ki butpo no jongka dan mal katangi don kami nyakaliang kerpat hi nyakaliang juga sarkar mekhalia bor juga distrik bakin ai kejing yada nam ta kinong sonong jongi khnang ya bangin laj ya ki susi ngimkwa ya ka bangin yoi bangin yo mat ya ka kumba ki jingjia bala jia po snong mukro kat hadu banda jau snam hapo madan chen he ka liang jongi kum snong minom kwa bagan jia kat hadu te put ten dei la da ka sarkar kamla ban pai khmat lam ban ailam ki jingya da te kamun ba ngimban sel ada kalong hakno kono ka bentaru ni haban wat hi kilat kilenti ki jingya rap mano bala se ki bala man wan yarap lam malada ngimyo banlum ya u khau ngimla banlum ya marep mariang kumnong inla ban im kuma im lam kiwei namal ba ya u marep mariang bangi la bu lada ngimyo ban rep kumnong inla ban im pat tang kita khindiat segi kentin kibangan dali ngak morba sunong nakwa ban pensai
kejingkran jong sembut menteri rangba kejelau ba Preston Tensong baki arpu artli kisnong ki bahap hapo ka blok 2 rat nong tung kide ki bahap sapo kejela asam kelapen bitar ya ke KSU bat kala kentui ba Preston Tensong ba udai ban pulir kot ba bat om dei ban syukran lapla ya kini kamat
sembut menteri rangba kejela Meghalaya ba Preston Tensong ha ka khatsan trek uno apra arhajar arpuar ulakran syai beki arpuar tligi shnong ki bahap apo ka blok 2 rat nong tong kide ki bahap spo ka jela asam ban nakaliang ke sarkar Meghalaya klade ban IT ki kot kisla ha kane ke jing kran penbet put kanang begini ki arpuar tligi shnong kin ban phai biang syaka Meghalaya ya kane uba Preston Tensong ulaong ha kinong tho kubor halor ki jing nang yai pen ibor ki pulet asam ha ki than khaput a blok 2 ka district ribhoi Hakabau lihat toru bagi patba kini ben sengoto syai bagi niki arpu artli gisnong kini kibedang hab ha asam. Bat amar kejingdon jagi patba nong song snong kibedai ki trai mulok jong kejela Meghalaya. Kumta ke sarkar MDA kani kun bed ban penyo obiangi gisnong syaka Meghalaya. Ha kebedai pat bat kejingnang penibor ki pulit Asam ki than khap puat kam tam ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Uba Preston Tensong ulong bah kejing penbet puat ha kawat ke benengkong nakaliang ki artli ki sarkar jela Meghalaya bat Asam kila yo kejing batha no menteri korbari ki sarkar Pedeng wa Amit Shah. Bagini bro artli ki jela kemdai ban penthut iginu kinu ki kampen roy ha ki than khap puat bat ban om penwit ru ka shong suk shong san ki pat ba ha ki shnong khap puat. Ndrai namar bagi sarkar Asam kadang penibor man la kapor ya kani uba Preston Tensong ulong bagaan kadan ban penbet yaki. Ule thoru banamar kejing don kam bagi pat ba ken lat na kejing shong sir hagi shnong khaput. Na kaliang sarkar Meghalaya kelarai ban bu ya ki ketem pulit ki baklan bat ki bor phara ki baklan bat an boru ki border outpost ha kita ki shnong ki bedon kam kejing pahara. Bat gini la batha ki bor penyak distrik Ribhoi bat ki wegi distrik rengkat bat ki bor pulit bani penbet pat bat ki nong lam shnong ban penyo ki jaka ban bu ya ki border outpost. Halor ki kendrum kendram balami egini gisngi ki than khaput. Ka sarkar jela kla batha egi deputy commissioner ban penbet egini ki kambaro bat ki bod district Asam ke betengko egini ki kendrum kendram kenang ban la ban penbet no mar dor na ke benta ban wan ra egi jing shong shngan ha ki shnong khaput ke jela Meghalaya. Da ke babenrap ru bagini ki arpu art ligi shnong ha block 2 kemdon setia kinu genu ke jinge per ne ke jinge kentur put. Ndrai ke jinge kran menta ka kentihi kalong ban yo ban penpai biang ngi kini ki shnong Shak jela Meghalaya.
Long ni, hakane kami nilai banyak kenduk yau Amit Shah. Nilai akren syai kedar haba ngimpat la banyak penbej ukut usam. Ba unai ka instruction ya ka Asam, bat yangi ke Meghalaya ru. Bangim dei ban pentut ya ka yat ka yang katre ka kata jong kini ki artli ki jela jongi ki paj ba no sok ki jela jongi. Bat ru ba mdei ban bu ya ki forces ban penting ban pensmit ya ki nong snong la da piong pulit Asam ne pulit Meghalaya kata kade ke bingarai bat ngila IT ru ya kini lengba ka district administration UDC SP jongka Ribhoi un Ukraine bat UDC SP la kade jongka Karbi Anglong la da kade jongka ne ka la kade jongka ne ka urban hang ne ko Guwahati ni IT haki bakin ya lek ko dak de kawe ka bang syukwa ban ong kolong tang kan ni ka bang apil kolong iya ki nok song snong ni wa teng teng pi hakaji trekam joki la se de ka kam personal lo brio ka badon ka ten re ka permi issue sa kanjing ban long ka communal class ten re nga apil ki nak ba snong ni ki nok song snong kam tam ki bor snong bor thau sngo ba bat de la kam ki nok song snong jing na mar teng teng ka don ka jing sim ka bu tang nak mentale se yasun bat nur sa Asam lene tangbu Asam don jing yasun bat nur sa Meghalaya kan create ya kaneka isu ke problem ting la keren ngila instruction ya kan district administration bakin ya don ke jing ya sutu jumut bat ba kata ke jing ya wat ke jing ya kan kem ka ne katai namar katu ka de ga ai dengan sombon omba mdei ban cross pada ya ke limit ha ka ban pelong ya kinong snong jongi lane kinong snong jong Asam lu ban poi sa ke jing bom ya sutu MKA M ya bengin bu ya kadang border outpost ke border outpost bentarung ila pa identify ha ka district administration lau DC SP rengkat bat kini ke rengkat bagi bos nong bertau de maki kin identify hanoi jakai bangi de ban bu tang ba ko mongo pi mental lagi keren di ke blok 2 kan mau ke blok 2 habis Shah Asam ngan persai biang sise nama don ki stu bakla kitu ki khat pra plus south li ki snok katu ka hab Shah Asam madon uwe urang ba opo persotu bakla khat pra plus sau nak ada dawngi ai ka list ti Shah Asam berkalis kolong bakani kada haba ke blok 2 habong blok 2 kamut hab Shah Asam ngimdei bersetu bakla kata nama don ki bersetu bakla ki ong jaj bangila pha ka list Shah Asam kamut kala hab Meghalaya kampade gumta kani kadang hab ha ka jing kren jongi kadang yaj bat bahabangi kren kejing kren mdei bangi ong don ke differences mdei bat ong bangi don ke dispute mdei kejing kren kolong ban retransfer no ya ki arpo artelikisnong ki bahap hapo ke blok 2 sya ke jela Meghalaya jongi mdei don ki nong rang ba ki bapensup apakla jaj bangila submit ya kene list syapo Asam ki sngo bon ong bet bangila de hapo Meghalaya de kata kamne ba kadang hap bet kedike arpo artelikisnong hapo Asam kabamot hapo ka blok 2 abang ini ngi keren kelong bat blok 1 bat blok 2 ngi kwa ban retransfer nang tay na block 1 lo kaju nang ne na block 2 lo kaju ban retransfer ye kitu isnong kam tam me ki bagi nong song snong ki de gi briu jong sudah ki bana po war ki pada boy la ne po jantia tingi kwa ban convince le ban pengej ye ka sarkar Assam bagade ban transfer ita
Presiden ka KSU North Khasi Hills District ba Ferdinand Kharkamni hag janmiat jangka khatsan trek uno opera arhajar arpuar habakran hikinong to kubor ulapha yo kerwo sha usambut menteri rang ba kejala Meghalaya ba Preston Tensong ba udai bandale homework haswa un ajingkran chikinong pathai kubor bat kania kalalong halor kejingkran jong ba Preston Tensong ba ulakam baki arpuar teligishnong ge bahab ke blok 2 kidang de ge bahab supok Assam ya kani kejingkran uba Ferdinand Kharkamni ulakran patba hadin kejing kendo yo deputy commissioner halor kejinglet ban ujor ka KSU ye kejingja kablaja hakšnong umsau lom dorbar ha blok 2 la ban krew hangni uba Preston Tensong ulakran chikinong tho khubor bat kamru baki arpu artli gishnong ki bahab karat nongtung kidang dei ki bahab chak Assam hadu kini gisngi bat bulong bak sarkar Meghalaya kan trishtam ban penwan phai biang yakini gishnong choput usam kejala Meghalaya Uba Ferdinand Kharkamni haba pensah helor kini ke jingkam jong ba Preston Tensong ulong baki patba ke besong basa kini ki arpu art ligisnong kini ki khasi bat ki bakwa bandon bet apa uput usam ke Meghalaya bat kem kwa dalele ru ban syak kentup syak Assam ha ke jingkran pen bet puat akuat ke baar ha pedeng ke Assam bat ke Meghalaya Uba Ferdinand Kharkamni ulong bo kwa ban pen kan mau bah ke snem syajar kendai spasan puwei ha ke por ba phya eki Autonomous Council jong United Khasi Jantia bat Mikir Hills hangto le ishai leng baki kot kisla ba ke Mikir Hills kadai shuduk khamat jong ka shnong ummat kabadish khamat ka wa umyam bat ki dan tang komba khat pratli gishnong bat omdai arpu artli kombala kam do ba Preston Tensong bat kini ki khat pratli gishnong da ka bor kila sha panhap no sha ka block 2 Ulong bagi jingkam jong ba Preston Tensong bagi niki kat pratli gishnong ki hap syaka Assam kade ke jingkran ban penduk mensia megi patba ki basa akitan kaput ki berang angnut ba ke sarkar jala Meghalaya kan om penhap ki sepok ke jala Assam ha ka jinge penbet puat akawat ke baar da ke babenrap ru ba Preston Tensong uang bagi niki gishnong ki hap sya Assam haba kim yo ru nak Assam naduk ki kampen roy ni jing mentoy boper haduk kini kisnem bat kipat ba kini kisnong kidani ki epic jong ke jala Meghalaya katkum ke Mikir Hills ha kesnem syajar kendai spasan puwei kaladon ka jingle jong ulat ke jala bai kini kisnong on penhap juborno sya ke Mikir Hills bala dapat ki jing tho jing tar baro kane ke Mikir Hills kade khamat jong wa umyam bat ke jingkam begini kisnong ken hap ska Assam kade ke jingkran lapla klam dawat benia bha Namar wat kira teman kelepan pau bagi negara jingpia iki Autonomous Council hakini gisnem la shule don bor bed daulat kejela klem kejing menjurlang dagi pat ba khasi hakita gisnem kumta ulong bau ba Preston Tensong ulade banwat jing tip shwa
ba nakliang jong u menteri sembut menteri ba Preston Tensong uong ba kini ki artli gisnong ki hap sya Assam te nakliang jongi kaseng bangi ko ban pensyai ngathai Pindai mengemau yo usnam ka kenai spasan puai kadai kapor bay pihak ye ki council Autonomous Council jong ka United Khasi Jantia bat ka Mikir Hills angtu ya ka kot yo ishai bala tho ba ya kan partition jong Mikir Hills kaya syakmat jong umat kabadai kawa ban poin syakawa jong umyam kabadai syati kitan syakmat umat umlaper te kini ki kamdei kajing baklaru kamdei arpu artli shnong kidan tang kumba khat pratli shnong kini khat pratli shnong da ka bor jingsha klon ban encroachment kila penhap no syapo ke blok 2 te kai ka bang aso ban ong ya u sebut menteri rangba ka kruak ka basai ngatrai pidon kam ban le humok babatam ya ban pule bhai ti kot usnam ka knai spa san puai namar ban shuong ba kini ki shnong ki khat pratli shnong ki dei badon sha Assam kalong ka babakla namar ba kamdon kanu ka ba ki development ki per baka Assam ka shay ai site ki thad but hadu mentaru ngiui ba lada ki donru ki katu kanne ki bun ki bangi ngiui ru jong ka Meghalaya ka don but what ka school jong ki suru ka don hakte po chatalong te lada ngi pet yakum ka Mikir Hills hoi ka don kata ka jing ai po usnam ka kanai spasan puai lomba jong governor ba yakini ki caka langat syapo jong Mikir Hills Henry lar pipet ba kum ka jing tho ban yo iru ba kadon bala mention hang tu kadai syahmat jong umiam tengah try bangin ya keren tang malai jenhau ba kini khat price tali kisnong kidai syapo jongka Assam kalong ke hi ke bakla namar ngan penkenwa biak bat ngatip ru lemba kiru teman ki bangilai kendu nadu kisnem mensua ki ba khat san snem khat ar snem ai kila juong ba kita ki kot ki bla sign da kita ki governor apor phia ini ki autonomous council kadai ba claim ka concern lan ka will jong kini ki pai ba khasi ki jugi ki bedan site kisnong te la phi sutu ya kata bat lada piong ba kangat sha Assam phi de kli shona ki pai ba la ki pai ba ki jongi ki khasi ki jongi ki kwa mandon sha meklian ne ki kwa mandon sha Assam kata kadai ke jingkli ngabu sha ba pastun tensong ba don kam ya phi ba phile humok don kam ru phile sha po fil phile sha umat phile sha umtli sha mandon umbang bat kumta ter ba phi sutu ba ka will jong ki pip ki breu nadu shwa ka knais pa san ru kidai ki bakwa mandon spo meklia bat hadin ba pia tho iti kot lumba ju governor ru knais pa san poi ban perngat samikir hills ru ki pai ba no shrong hangtai ki don ka jimbitar bat ki don haji ele hadu menta meneru ba ki kwa bai mandon smeklia bat ngano pi ki pai ba nadu tik snem hadu menta kim khamsong klik ti bat ki yakun bai namta ka hok ka jongki
Uba Ferdinand Kharkam ni ulapan pauru bagajing temu jong sarkar jela banbo iki border outpost hak snong that rang bat rat terso hak bagi pat ba iklepan pau bagi ni border outpost kemdai bandon hak ni kisnong namar ni kisnong kiri ki badan apadeng kajing syongsok bat kesenjuk kirang ba snong border area iklepan pau balade banbo ikni ki border outpost syakasnong ummat bat teli kumta nakaliang kaseng kaladawa badai ban pun urlong ya kene jing trang jugi pat ba ki basyong ki than kaput namar kitip khamba ya ke jinglong jingman baro
te kibreu nakti kisnong kilapun paul pa ya ka jing bitar bakim kwa bakin don hakti kisnong namar di kisnong ki basyong zuk syong sain henry ki sunjuk ki rom basyong jok kini khatpritli kisnong ki kwa ba kandon shopo umat bat shopo umtli te naliang jungi kum kaseng ki siru ngi ai ya kajingkershan ya kisunjuk kirang basnong andai bat hajuk opor ngaso ban balada kwa banbu shupo right kerso shupo tharang andai umla banbu sya umat lani shupo umtli ngaso kalong ke iki babakla namar baka Assam menta kala don lupa hapo ki BOP kala don hapo umru kala don hapo madan ungwang kala don hapo umat umlaper te kini lai tili kala don lupa nagliang jong ka Assam hari nagliang jong ka meklia ka kwa banbu sabar jong ni blok 2 ka bade sport terso bat sport tharang te lada ka government jong ka jela ka jungi ka sibkhia umde shu banong tang arteliru da ka banbu bu hadu sandu teliru ki bade si thain madan umbang ki bade sport teli ki bade sport umat umlaper ki bade hapo jatlong bat kumta teter balada don kam ya kaman power lene don kam ya kinong tre ban krishna itu kikam bakin sa ban tolong ya ka BOP niliang jung ki dekat ki jungi ban pora jung tung ki kloi ban tre mon sobha ban krishna wat ong ban ap pahararu niliang ki dekat jung kaseng hapo karat jung tung wat hadisik wat jelai berhoi ilong ki bakloi ban don mentalang ki nrei ban ong pat ban bu ya ka BOP hapo tharang bat harai terso kalong ke ge babokla bat kam namdan kanu kaban ai jimuntoi pai ba no shnong sa tegi than ba ya ka jingdon jog ti BOP bala ring kren ha ko mol snai oposu mau pi kini ki jaka kimde shu benlong tang ki opos kala de ben kala ki police station ba ki man power ke de mendon dunai ki lai pos sapongot ba kin suthu ba ka ika kamram go juki ba ki don hapo ki khaput ban ai jingeda ki pai ba sa tegi than bala da ai jingeda kum kani ka jingjia po umsau lum darbar lada ki jinga ka lada ka jing ya step jong border magistrate bat jong ka opos nang tai matrai ka namdon kanuno ka jingthwat jong ki tu ki pulit Assam lane nak po jong ki state forest Assam banun thwat ya ki shadu spo ki shlong hapo umsau lum darbar
ka khat pratrik ubnai no pra arajar arpuar kadi ka sngi ka bakari khasi jantia bar kowe ka kan mau buram ya kalungku sngi yap jong umlung susu tham kham tam halo rusunyang jong u ha kaliang ka thok katar kham tam ha ki kentien kersi thia ya ka jat ben riu lang ba ki poetry bat ki we de ki jing thok ki jong u Namar bakani kelengku sengiyap kahap hagasi ublay kumta ka wei neki jaka puli hakani nong bak selong kala rakhi lepa ya kani ke sengi haki kendiat sengi ki belala. Ka Shillong College Shillong, lengba ka khasi department jong kani ka college, haka khat sauterik menta ubnai no pra arajar arpuar, kala rakhi lepa ya kelengku sengiyap ka ba prapuar jong milong susutham, ya ka bala penlong haka hall jong kani hi ka college. Hakani ke jingelang u president jongka governing body jongka Shillong College u Professor Bimberbo ulai dan lang kum kongsan rengkat ke jingi dan lang ki nong peniak jongka ni ke college bat ki nong kai bat lawan management ta sakani ke jingelang de ki samla puli naka khasi department jongka ni ke college. Hakani ke jingelang ki kat tu kat ningut ki samla ki la puli ru ye ki poetry bat u kongsan la pelat pat ba ya ka kot ke bala ai kerteng ka jaj benri new trap ha ka jingya lenti ka basan phosnem nalor ki jing puli poetry ne ki samla nakaliang u assistant professor KG Dingdo ula pasat ru ikintien sembok perkhat syaki samla bal ayu jingkran ru na u vice principal jong ni ka college u ba B Imli u professor LS Gasa bat naka principal ka Dr. E Kharkongor
nganlet shari sora Bangkiu shikilo, kari utiu sokha, utiu pawanglo, kari jongga simpim, kari ukaitor, kari kajing shimram, kari ka akor. Hasngap hari sora, bapoy kayoba, kariu kajing risa, banyeng kadawa, kangam shikipuban, nasun ru kapar, Shongkasi benar ubhoi newa.
Jing syai niwa saudong pertai. Jing syai kari ngim te pei. Kum no hendai ki kni ki kpa ki san pertai ki seng iwa. Men ba baro u nyusku usa kapang hapo padu. Hapdeng ki klo kasngi ubnai halum hakla kidak kirngai ubriu umrat ukla utlen kawei kakti kidang yakran shua bangpau uksut ukrai barok kimani ya ublai
tekom yunga hasil pamau serpai kakmi kakyau us bakhau na jangai mulu uar halo kayeng badu kari batir ukur ukha kari badon ukni ukpa kamei kayau kadon hae kasyong hapde kalingat he desho
Hakasi hat majai jogota yo u menteri rang bak kajelau Konrad ke sangma rengkat ba usembut menteri rang bak kajelau ba Preston Tensong kila pli ya ko office trekam jong ka pen Ursula division PWD roads bat kila bu ru ya south li ki maunong rem bantai ye ki project happen Ursula constituency Ki santli ki maunong rem ki bala bu ki genthop e jing pli ka office trekam jong ka PWD pen Ursula division bantai ka mini secretariat ka CNRD block building Eclavia model residential school bat ya ka football stadium hawa langkhat nalor kani u Konrad ki sangma ula sam ya ka pisa ka balong lai phulai point sound lak tangka lamba ka scheme focus plus farmers welfare program shakin rius pa ripu pratli kilong yeng bala IT ru ya ka khatway point line riu klur tangka shaki khandai spa sanphotli ki self help group bat prapotli ki village organization bala samru ya ki 8000 li ki khon snyang shaki sanspa ngun u menteri rang ba ulo ong baka sarkar jela hagini ki sansnem duna kalai kundu shibun ki jing e hanrei kalala bani khun pat wala kini ki jing e kilong ki bajuat bha ulo ong baka sarkar ka bo e ka thong ba hagini ki shipo snem ki banwan ka jela ka de bandan ha ka kedan ka ba shipo hapo kari India bat kum bakalong menta ka GDP jong ka jela kala ki step bha bat kalakot syaka pra 0.1% bat ka Meghalaya ka dan menta ha ka kedan top 20 ha ka jingkiu ka GDP ha kini sansnem Ula pensya bagi don kibri ki bakeno baka sarkar kala Shimram khat pras pak keluar tengka na kabenta ka Focus Plus. Henry kadai tang South pak keluar tengka bat kani ke skim kadai kalat ban ajing yarap eki baduna ka yok kokot. Menteri Rangba Uloong bada ka jingdon ka mini sekretariat hapen ursla kan yarap hakaban pensuk eki kam ban ajing sakri ki pat ba ka than namarkin don lut ki tenat sarkar ban ajing sakri ka bajan su-su upat ba.
How do we? Yeah. No. Arey baap re baap. Arey be careful. Good. Hey, come here. What is it? Mock nothing.
Ngiju asngowi ki kentian pira ki baong ka jing sakri para beriu kadai ka jing sakri ublei. Ya kini ki kentian la pen urlong bat pen iya ki nuksa babha da ka dorbar senong jong ka senong kadhor. Kabalami sakmat ban pensna da ka yeng song yeng sa ka bapaka na ka benta iwe ime iet ibela sangsot na mar ka jing dok la bun snem ha ka ni senong.
Ka dorbar senong jong ko kadhor. Kalami sakmat ban pensna da ka yeng sa kebapakan na kabenta iwe meyet ibal jinjar namar kajing ban kajing dok la bon snam hagan kasnong ya kani kayeng bapaka la IT kum kajing ais ngo bahas ni meyet ibla tip keteng kum ikong Nores Rani ibala syong jinjar hagayeng trap kebala jot rathai hagan kasnong bala IT bat play hagan kayeng rengkat kajing kerku da Father Michael Son parish priest kadhor parish hagajing dan lang uba Andres Tron sordar kadhor. La sakilang ru agne gesni do ba Center Doloy Presiden ke FKGGP Western Zone ba receive pator Presiden ke KSU Western Zone. Good morning pator Sordar Nongdom bat kiwe kiri orang ba bat kilong kemian agne gesnong. Habakran agne gesni kum gejing kerku bat gejing penkentang yang agne geyeng bala IT sini miet ke dor barsnong kadhor. Father Michael Son ulai kejing ro sya kador barsnong kadhor ki bala peni kenuk sa ke babha ban kersan lem ki long yeng ki bedan kam ki jing rap aki babon ki benta kham tam kum gane kejing pensna da ka yeng na ka benta ini me iet i bala jenjar ha ki snam ki bala let no Father Son ulong bagi don ki babon ki brio ki bakum ini me iet ki ba jenjar namar kejing ban kejing dok bat kumta ki brio ki bedan lat ki deban syem ki sa ke babha ke bala peni da ka ni kador barsnong na kaliang imiet Nores Rani ilai ya kejing sngongo bai penpau kejing kemen ke bakrau banyu apdiang yang kena ke bapaka na kador barsnong ha ka ba ilai ku blai kerpang bat kejing ket bok ya kador barsnong baganang la ban kieu hakikam kejongka ilong susu bamenta ila ban im da kejing so hun bat wat ban bam tang kerja sudaru kam lelei namar bidayo kerja karet dengan ke bapaka hawe nujor ya kejing e ke bilamat na kejing im ke bajenjar kejong i hagini kisem ke balalet no
tanak na sibun di malajarap ni peralok aso tanak rasong bang talak nama satu marwai talak panlek ni darla jarap dan peralok dala sofa sibun ada bang ija saudara la biang ha
kibamat iki jingi yomat iki jingkerdu apo gani kadong kathain ge jingi na riang jingi kun ki seng nimla klem da kenerlang lagi kiti ki baret lagi kiti ki plot ge jingi ni don bentalang bar kano kador basnong bar kano kasnong ni pau ge jing sengu ya ka dor basnong kadhor ya ka ba filashim kum kane ka benta kalong kum ka wei ka benta ka ban pen inuksa namta jong kane ka dong western reboi ka jingi namar hadut mentah ngimpat julap bat ngimpat jui baki wei ki dorbar snong kin shim kum kanuksa ban yarap ban kner ktilam syaki longing longsam ki umat ke chingi ke ching kerdu aki ying kisam khamtam ban te leng bakum kane ke ying ka bang i mentah kum bakalong mentah ti nagaleng chonga hi kum noilang jongka KSU jong kane ka odong ka than ni kerman ba kum ka snong borok ka wei kidang don ka jingi teli we lor we ba pidang la shu ya kaban snok ti lan pinala susu ban tei ki ying ki barang don hap deng ki jing na ki barang po ne gan dong snong ka thau ham tam ba ngiru ngidang la susu ban ya kinar ti na koi ka por sa koi ka por
kadu ngasngo ya kaban aku beli karpang ya imi ik wat ha ka jinglong temen ibasa marwe haba pai sya kini ki baro habangi ya kini gaying gimla klem na jauh man habangi ya kini gaying wat ki marat ru ki stom bancong bansa ha bakum kini gaying andre ngasngo ban aku beli sordar jong ni snong badon ki jingi jingai na ka menta ban ai kiti kemon kiti kejang ban ya trilang na ka menta ban pnio ya gaying kababha kumne na ka menta jong ni mi Doris Rani dan nak liang junga hak ni kapor ngapa kajing kublai syabaro kini ki nong isim bentang ki blai snokti na ka menta bani no senyang habide bat kini kaying na ka menta ba makiru kini yo ya kamet ka bukia bat bagina yo ya kamen sim na ka menta ban ai ban sakri ya ki kun ki hajar ki parado parasnam ki badon ya hak ni katem western boy jungi bat akari berkawai ba ki baman ya ka jinge hak duk akardu hak kabak hak kup seliang kesem seliang
da ka jing chmu ban le ban ai ka jing sakri ki kan thei bat ban pen biang ya ka jakasa ka ba biang ha ka si sa jan jogata yo baladam katna social welfare kala play ya ka working women's hostel ka badan haril bong ka balatei ha ka jing lut jing sap ka balakot saw point san not klur tangka leng ba ka SPA scheme yakani ka working women's hostel la play do menteri ka sarkar jila uba Sanbor Sulai ubalong ru MLA ka than ha ka jinge don lang u secretary jong ka social welfare uba IW ingti ki he sarkar kinong elam jong ka Garu Welfare Society kirang ba snong ka than ba ki wiki uba Sanbor Sulai ha ba ajin kran ula ai khublei kerpang ye ki officer jong ka revenue khamtam eu menteri sarkar barem ka jila u Professor RC Lalu bat ya menteri katna social welfare uba kermen sela bat ikinong yelam snong kibala ai ka jingkersan ban pentikna ban la ban tei ya kini ka hostel na ka menta ka bha ka miat ki pat ba ulong ba ki por ki ba menshwa kani ka jaka ka dei ka bala shu i isra bat la penlong ya kini ka jaka ban le ki kam snio hanrei menta da ka jing tei ka hostel kala wanra ka jing sngan ya ka snong ka thau bat kala long ru ka jing mentoi ki pat ba uba Sanbor lo penpawi ke jengmen bakung UMLE ulala ban wanra bun ki kampen roi halaka constituency bat lokular ba on yai le ban train na ka benta ka bha ka miat jong ka constituency bat ki pat ba ka than hi bra ka wei kumsi benta ban penmi pisa na ka benta ka Sati Raja Memorial Secondary School khnang bakan la ban ai ke jing sakri yaki khna ka than hagasi hatmajai jong ka tayo ka kenhun caring cohorts kala penlong ya ka Winter Festival lali ka Tamasa Telang.
Kawai ni kikin huan ka baang not ban no senyang daki kambab hash ke emlang saalang kebelatip kerteng kum ka caring cohorts. Ha ka khatlai trek uno opera arajar arpuar kalayo ban pli perda ya ka Tamasa Telang kebelatip kum ka Winter Festival kebela penlong khanang na kebenta ban penmi pisa ban kersha ni kijingdon kam jong kawai ni kislam ai jing nang jing start kata ka Sati Raja Memorial Secondary School. Ya kani kata masa telang la play perda do ba don lang soklet ubala longkong san ha ka jingi don lang uba bipul thangkeu presiden ka RBYF uba Raja Brahma BDO ka umsning CNRD block uba Rocky Kela chairman ka umsning Town Dorbar ba Rocky Marwen rang ba snong ka umsning proper B ikong balakentiu umba headmistress ka Sati Raja Memorial Secondary School kinong elam ka caring cohorts na do uba Sylvester Motho president Charles Kela general secretary bat kibe-kibe. Habakran nga negasngi uba Sylvester Motho uletho bayak nga kenhon laseng da kisiparolok kibadon yang kajing angnuat ban syakri bat no senyang syikim lang salang ban pet ka khya ka shon ginong shong shnong bat gijing dan kam jom kislem ai jing nang jing start ha ka ba ha ka ne kenti kani ka kenhon klajit ban kersha ni gijing dan kam jong kani ka school ka badang dei ka wen gi school brang dan kam shibun gijing kershan kam tam ka be dei bat ki kamra kelas bat kibe-kibe. La ban kedau hang ni baka Sati Raja Memorial Secondary School kelas sedang yakan untuk kesenam Arhajar Saw da uba Obi Rani bam kuah hedopar ublei ubdei ru nong yalam jong ka rawa ubren kejing angnuat ban pen priang ya ke jengnang jeng start da kathan sning bat kumjo ban kershan ki hybrid ki bawan da ki longyieng ki baduk bat kani ke skul ke dairu ke wen ki skul ke belala ban pen mi ki rang bagi thai lakai sports ki bapau bat ki samla pule ke belapas bah haki kerdan baper
ke gadau pelong yang ni kali kumjo ka bangi jiok jeng hikai na ki kemi ki pa na ki no hikai bagi ki jongi na kerman skam ba ki no hikai jong ka skul sati raja ru ki ju ai ke nuksa ki ju hikai ki samla ya ki kun yo one school hapo ka tiga school bangin bot ya ke nuksa jong ki dikeu barabor ni ju yo ka jing hikai bangi de ban bot ya ke nuksa jong ki dikeu ni de ban long ki patre sistem kum patre ki dikeu bat ni de ru ban ya long ki bateli para ban reu kum bateli ki dikeu ha kano ke benta ka ba ki don kam ban ra ke jingbam ban sekir ya ke jingbam kin bam ha kapor ka ba ki umat ya ke jinge bat kumju ngi ba haba ngi yo ya ke jikai na kinoi kai ngi yo ya ke jikai na kimi ki pa ki jungi bangin bu bangin pek ya ke nuksa na ki keu ka pelong yang ha kapor kena ngan long excited ngan internet ladang ai ki kiu ki wan hing jonga ngong kini ki jai kenyang ki de ki benda ki bangiyo ji kai bangin long ki beteli ngi internet ye ki Henry pause email jonga lani ilok jonga iproj no da uchok uba kerteng Laksman Rekha habang kali habang ba nadu ki por kena ngiyo ka ji kai bangin but ya ke nuksa ki kiu balai bapimsha bandrong ya kini ki kiu haying sidja ki jungi imsem lakut tangata lanam dan chok ibel pat dau sirmet bat kumju lanam la tai kam shu sirmet lakut no kabor ngai lanabun itium khloit andala thnam ka isate chau penyap lut borok ki kiu habangiyo ka jika bagin but ki nuksa ngilong very excited bangin pai ye kit keu ngada kali pa dia email balai pa pi penyap no daga pathe kroj ya kini kit keu bagi wan rong haki ngijungi yong ba but ya ke nuksa jongki Henry wan ailat yaki bakin rong hakayi kiseng balang ngilong kumju ngimsem lalong kita ki samla ki nongelam dan kiseng balang ki bang yong tangisi dekha nyim juyang akan nongrem bersuang tang isi dekar ngiyong ikwa ban prut ya ulan bakin kut no tang hai benta ka bakila bandon ngin bot ikin nuksa ka jungki ya kai ka baki gila
Alea School of Music ha kasi thok din chuka tayo kala penlong ya ka music recital hali dikin college auditorium ha ka ba ki khna pulie jong kani ke jaka ai jing hikai ha ka tem kaput bat karwai ka siau kilesem menta shithem ha ka ban pen i yela ki sap ki phong ka bala pen sultanat bat pen sho bi ya baro Mentakasi ke kat praterik ubenai no pra ahrajar arpuar. Kade keleng khut sngiyap ke ba prapuar jong melung susu tham. Unong thok poetry bat kibiki kot ki bapau ha ka thok katar jong khasi. Si benta ka jengken ma buram yo ni melung uba yo I jengai UPCN mentakata yo ula ringdur ye ke jingile ka helorensan rengkat ki jengruai. Kabala penwan dur ya ka na ka jeng thok jong melung susu tham lengba ka kot kabala ai kerteng ki sngi berem unyuk trep. Ngin EFP ba pinik mi sipor ya kani kerensan kabangila sat tang kandiat na ka jingile ka bapalat ya ka sikenta siteng.
Ya kani kejingile akai halor rensan rengkat kisur jingruai da kapapun wandor nagisngi berem unyutrap kabla tho dong melung susotham la tho igi kentian bat kisur jingruai bat la penbit benbiang na dong chadong do ba dimension ji nyota bal penmi da convener jong ke Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage intact Meghalaya chapter i Dr. Madeline Tham.
Wouldn't you want to tempt and taunt the divine into taking a crack at bringing your wife back steadfast and surely? Wouldn't you care to end your despair right there completely? Wouldn't you cave to finally save her light? Cause I see there's a purpose at the yearning neath the surface, discerning the things gone askew, the things gone askew. Well, wouldn't you?
Yes, I trembled as I stared at a burning pyre still reflected in my eyes. Oh, the love that burned. And just like that, death took her away from me, leaving me in the dark. But his whispering continued.
Wouldn't you just laugh at the fast to vanish, ending the strife of losing your wife away?
What if I told you I can console your famished little soul? For there's faith in what I've got to say. And it's your retribution to restore the link
that was broken the moment when death took your wife away.
Poi shakani ka phang namar bang I haslong menta lada don ka talent ban ruai ban temki musical instruments also. There's no Broadway show as the parang like a storyline or something that teaches that explains to the people the good and the bad. And I can do I Damanshan lemba I Tusan Harsati. And Damanshan has been trained in and educated in the UK. And ila lebon ki shows kum kini ban prepare ban direct sa Gujarat ila jule. Tingi kendo I nang tang sutanat bangai I baidan kasap. Ikmi jong I le kong Narashi is one of the best pianists in the Northeast, if not in India. She is a gifted talent. Ti imat iliyo kasap na ikmi jong iru. Ti nge kendo nge keren halor kanika phang te ya te baro babu susotham ulong wen ki nong thokot ki bakrao jong ki khasi upen I ki brio jong I ke ka babha bat ke ka basneu haki lemba ki jing tho jong u pershang ban pen I haki ba each one of us has some good in us, and if we let go of the fear, that good will shine through. So in this play, there's people coming out of their fears, their loss, their sorrows, and finding some good in this world. So kani kalong ka pangjong kani ka show.
Hangne peni I gejing penkret na dong chadong ya kerensan bakalong ka bajanai bha na du kilait kisurjing tem bat kiwe de gejing don kam. Bat ka bakham itnat bani I hagane gejing hilakai kadai halor ki sap ak jon ki breu na kane kejela ki beretbet adu kata-kata wala kadai hagak tin nong wei. Ha kani kerensan le shimpenta de ki khandai ngut ki rudan sap ban ak bat ruai bakentup ikong mebari shisha karnayor uba Alexander Lingdo uba Damanshan Ji Nyota uba Valden John Pariat ikong Hapida Marbanyang uba Wadisan Elkan ikong Ibadiang Hun Nongrum ikong Florentina Rani baruba Kensai Kuparmanas
out searching for him and dragging him home at this hour of the night.
Oh.
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. You seem already out of your wits from before.
I'm all right now. It's just that ever since my wife died, I've been having nightmares of sorts. And I often come here to counsel with the stars when, you found me in that state earlier.
That was you talking to the stars? Well, then don't keep too many friends then, huh? I'm sorry. I also have been troubled by my boy who doesn't seem to listen to me anymore,
Ah, the rebellious turn of adolescence, eh?
Well, my boy may no longer be 20.
20?
25 though, but he's still my boy. He's still my little boy. He's all I've got.
25? Well, he seems like a man old enough to fly out of the nest.
Not to me, at least. He's growing older and daring by the day, and he needs his mother to protect him.
And talent, you know, sometimes not only in school and colleges can you find talent everywhere, and all these players, actors are from different walks of life. Kita kiba da dukan, kita kiba tray office, dan kita kenduk man ka janmit, berbagi light banyak practice, and kita pelit jengmut shibon ban penmi akan ika show. Di ngasungu eki, ngasungu ya ka Magdalene Age Limited, baka ay kan ika lat ban produce ikan ika show. And ni kerman banang ni sakpat nang don syuki shows ki bakham itanat kani ka shulong tang ka jing sedang ka berit, and maybe from now onwards kinang don syuki show kinang yo syuki talent sama ki beli jongi ki di ba don sub hakini ki liang ka garwai ka liang acting.
I can't let blame hang on the balance like this. Who here says the truth? Are? Aren't you the scholar from the other town? Millung, the poet. I recognize this man. Ah, he's that guy.
Hey, what's a learned man like you playing a bandit at this time of the day, huh?
I'm trying to convince you that that boy is spewing lies, calling me a thief. He tried to rob me and another poor woman last night. Got me dragging and chasing him all over the woods.
Look. I don't know about you guys, but I can't let a guy who's too good with his words fool me. So don't let his poetry fool you, my brothers.
What? I can hit you in the face like that.
Come on. Come on. Jai. We'll solve this. Now, whose is this?
That boy.
Someone tell me.
No. Okay. I'm telling you, you better go. Hey, you better go.
What is the Sankatay doing early in the morning?
What?
Who are you calling ladies? Hey, Balan. Funny how you'd even ask that question. Look amongst yourself for something who. If I were the judge of that discussion, never mind, I'd only be a fool. Come on, get on with a better story. Clearly this is such a waste of time, but if you'd rather take some pointers from yours truly through these noble eyes, my view of the world and how to be in it is simple. The way I see it, we don't get what we deserve, right? No. We take what we deserve. And better yet, why take it when you can simply have it given to you? After all, isn't that the nature of things anyway? Think about the beast out in the jungle for a start, and how the mighty from the weak are classified apart. Think about this standing on the zoological chart. Isn't it power that beats them from the rest? But how is that power possessed?
Ka storyline kaya bakini ki characters ki actor ki dan kijong ki individual problems ti kewat jing champang kewat jing tengen kiblap hadu unda wan u melung u bapen ie ki there's light at the end of the tunnel if only we know how to be grateful pengingat how ublay nong bu nong thao. But ni sungtu bakadan hapo jangi kajing bah. But dangim kimbyang ki eru umleleng di basungu ya kajing em bangidan hangi perthai but ban persyang ban le bah ban appreciate what we already have. Ti habang ay kendu ida mention haka scene ki habadang sedang show kanika production na ai kisngi berem nyutram apa puli gitu nang tu pada ai rupa translation bale Janet Moore Hujan jong kisngi berem nyutram and ila puli nang tu isa penwandor ya kanika drama.
My family. I haven't told them about this yet, and I'm still troubled by what they might think or do.
No. Calm your troubles by this promise, my love. The promise that I shall never leave you.
That is all that comforts me.
I've taken a little of the savings and plus a little from my father.
Wait, you stole from him?
Well, what's a little consolation for his disownment, right?
No, that is just not right.
Listen to me, Shai. I've got this, all right? With the few that I've acquired just now, I think we have enough to go to the plains and start a new life there.
The plains?
Yes, Shai, the plains.
But Nai, you know it will be disheartening to leave the motherland like this.
Oh, no. No. Come on.
But I leave it hope. And I leave it you. Oh, heavens, bless this promise.
My love, heaven's light will guide us. And after all,
Amishu Namakan, it's based on, it's set in the Khasi Hills, the play, and the theme also is taken out from Sngibere Muhinyo Trap Jang Suso Tham Tingi Kwaban Pin Iga, that Khasi English touch is there in the play. But then Kwaban Pin Iga ki Brio Bashabaru, Bangimni Tanki ba. Share lemo, but she ngidan ka culture, hangi ngidan ka sap, ka talent, but pen it. This is that aim. Then your sponsors tingil deki track itu ki actor, ki actress ni maybe ni laban yalam ki she Delhi ne she bariru. It is really something and amazing to create something out of nothing. There was, it's all in the mind of the director to produce all the stage and free. He can ujing internet ki karyam ka bed ka presentation ka long in hakikat jonga ngala Isha Broadway ha New York ngala pa West End Theatre ha London. In my eyes, it's world class. The presentation, the acting. And if we have enough sponsorship, ngilaban yalamikisha Jawairu, ngilaban yalamikisha for Garo Hills Ru, and maybe outside the state if possible also, we can arrange. Kibut kibla saja sekata.
Listen to the crowing of the rooster on the hill, heralding the burst of golden light. What was left behind in the sands of time now awaits another tale to write. Witness how the dewdrop lingers on the grassy quill, remnant of a sweet forgotten night. Knowing very well tomorrow will retell the promise of the day cycle of light. The highs and lows, the rise and fall, light and shadows to recall that over and over again the night into day will ascend. Feel within your heart the hope that sunrise can fulfill, as the sky is kissed by early bright. Yesterday is gone, now blessed into the dawn, in quiet psalms and morning birds recite the promise of the day cycle of light.
Dakatu kubor ngila poisa ka bakut jong ka kubor jong imita kata yau yang saya sempat bat pilih sempat yau ka juk usngi ka juk kapor saya sien pat pilih.